How to cook Delta State coconut rice and tomato sauce. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to cook a very yummy Delta State coconut rice and tomato sauce. So the first thing you'll be needing is some tomatoes, some onion, and some pepper. So I don't wash my tomatoes and pepper and my onion ready to be sliced. So the next thing when they see right now my gizzard when I want to make the tomato sauce. I don't already steam am. I steam my gizzard with some onions, some salt, seasoning cube, and the curry and thyme. So here now we are for the fry am. I don't fry and finish. After I fry and finish, I can't fry my ice fish because you'll be needing some ice fish too. Not be only gizzard will take do this also. So the next thing now to wash your rice where you want to make your coconut rice. First of all, I soaked the rice for 20 minutes with salt. Then I went ahead and I washed it very well. Make sure you wash your rice very well. So after you wash and finish now, you can add small salt. You can put water, you can steam am. Let am make it cook so that it go soft. Because if the rice not soft, it no be Delta State coconut rice with that. So the next thing is to slice our tomatoes. After I just slice the tomatoes finish, I will now set it aside. So make sure you slice the tomatoes very well. May not too big, may not too small, because you don't want make it too small for your sauce. So here I can't check my rice. My rice don't already boil out. I need to remove the water again because I don't want too much starch for this rice. And too much starch for rice, the sugar they too much too. So I don't want that. I remove the water. This one are optional. If you like, if you still leave am. If you like, you remove some water. Come off for the rice. So the next thing I'll be doing is to add my coconut milk. Now say the brand what they use now. I buy it for African shop. After you add your coconut milk, add your seasoning cube, just only seasoning cube and salt, nothing else, not put any other thing again. Then if you get coconut oil, you add a little bit of coconut oil so that the real flavor of that coconut will really come out very well. But if you not still get coconut oil, no problem, you are good to go. So after I add my coconut oil, I went ahead and added some little bit of salt and I stir am. Remember to lower your heat that is your gas cooker or whatever you're using to cook, whether na stove or even if na fire, remove the firewood small. The heat may not too much. So because if the heat too much, your food go burn and you know like am. So when I first pour that coconut milk for my rice, I reserve some. So when the rice don done small, I'll come pour and put. So this one are the second batch. The one when I remain, and now I won't pour and put again because at this point my rice is already done. But I just need that coconut milk to enter the body again. You don't understand? So now I don't pour the remaining coconut milk for inside because the rice is already done, like I said before. I will show now. The rice is already done. See, it's already done, but I just need that coconut milk to enter the body again. So at this point my rice is ready. So let's go ahead and make our tomato sauce. So the first thing I did is to put my pot on the fire and then I added some vegetable oil, and then after the vegetable oil heat for some seconds, I added my onions. So after I add the onions, and I can add thyme, I can add curry, add all the whole seasoning. At this point, like if you dey make stew, once you don't put that your onions, just let them steam for some seconds. Then add the seasonings wey be say you want put for that stew. See, the aroma is out of this world. So I add all the whole seasoning where I need to add, like curry, thyme, and then my aroma. And I now went ahead and add my blended pepper. I blend this pepper with enough onions, and then I add garlic. I put small garlic, just small, because I don't want make garlic too much for this sauce. So this one are my sliced tomatoes. I will come add them now. I come add am now. I no blend am because I no want me too smooth. I just need that rough tomato sauce. So after I add everything finish now, I come add my fish and my gizzard. I not sure now where I add all those things because I no make the video too long. Now so I take cook this food though. My people, at this point, ma tell una the truth. I cook this food finish. My husband say, no be so Benin people dey cook coconut rice o. How na why this one come different? I say how Benin people take dey cook am? He say this one no just be like Benin people coconut rice. Now I say na my daughter one na cook o. So you will be Benin person wey dey watch video right now. Abeg drop the comment for there. How una take dey cook una coconut rice? Please, if you're watching video to this point and you have not liked this video, please like the video. Follow my page for more video. Thank you all so much. See you in my next one.